Hi guys, it's Ashley here from Simply Our Shop, and today we are back with another video, and it's going to be an unboxing. I just recently ordered something from Micas More, and I've been wanting to order from Stephanie for a while, and I finally got the chance, and I can't wait to show you guys what I got. So let's just jump right into the unboxing. Comes with some packing peanuts. Got my slip. So I ordered some fragrances, and hold on, let me make sure you guys can see. Yeah, so I ordered 3 fragrances. Oatmeal Milk and Honey, Oak Moss and Amber, and Volcano Capri Blue. I am in love with this scent. I ordered it from Aztec, I believe, and I was like, I have to have more. So when I looked at Steph's fragrances, she had that. I have smelled the Oak Moss and Amber from like the air fresheners, and I fell in love with this scent, so I had to get that. And Oatmeal Milk and Honey is a staple. My customers love it, so of course this is going to be restocked, and I had to get more. So yeah, this time I did get a sample from them, and it was, I believe, let's see, the tobacco flower, because I wanted to see how the tobacco, I believe it's tobacco leaf fragrance smelled, and it's a great smell. I would definitely buy this fragrance. Let's see, now I also ordered a mini tall and skinny because I wanted to see how the bars look coming out of this, and I could use this as like favors. If I was to make favors for a baby shower, bridal shower, I could, this could be my go-to mold for that. So I'm excited to use this one. Now let's get to the micas. So I ordered the sample sets. I wanted to see how each sample set did, and this is my first time receiving like any type of neon, so I can't wait to use the neons because they look beautiful. So let's see. Here is Radically Reddish Neon. This color is beautiful. So bright. Marvelous Magenta Neon. If you hear talking in the background, I apologize. I'm just watching some of Jen from Be Scented videos. This is Outrageous Orange Neon. I love orange in soap, So can't wait to use this. And I got the neons because I want to make like a Galaxy soap or like a Northern Lights type deal soap. Glitzy green neon. Bodacious blue. These are beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful colors. So those were the neons. Can't wait to use those. Let's do the Rich and Bold micas next. This one is, I believe I saw this one on from Bella Essentials, and I just love this color when she showed it. I do like my red and coppers color. Hopefully you guys can see how beautiful these colors are. My lighting isn't the greatest, but you guys get the gist. Coral mica. Orange coral mica. Sunflower yellow mica. I might have to use this in a upcoming soap. Hint, hint. Let's see. Hunter green mica. I love this dark forest green. Love it, love it, love it. Look how the light hits it. Ooh, I can't wait to use these. Magic blue mica. Now this one is another, my favorite color is purple, and this purple looks so amazing. Do you guys see that? I can't wait to use this. It might look blue on the camera, but this purple is gorgeous. Alright, so those were the Rich and Bold micas. And let's do the Cocoa brown micas. I needed brown mica, so I went to get the sample set. This is more of a really dark brown. It kind of almost looks black. Maybe you guys can see the difference. It maybe look brown on screen, but this is the black, pitch black. I wanted to see how this does in soap as well, because right now I'm using activated charcoal and nocturnal, and they give me like this ashy kind of black. Can you guys tell the difference? This one is the brown, this one is the black. Can't wait to use those. And gold shimmer mica. This looks beautiful. Let's see if you guys can see the shimmer. Can you guys see the shimmer? Alright. Actually, I don't think this is a set. I think I ordered these separately. But the previous two were sets, and then this one is the pastel set. So we have soft pink mica, and I got the pastel because, you know, Easter's coming up, so we gotta get started. Clementine. I love orange micas. This yellow kind of looks green, like the neon, well, neon yellow-ish green on screen, but looks yellow in person. Mint cream mica. This is a nice soft color. Luster blue. It's nice. And last but not least, lavender mica, which this is a beautiful pearlesque lavender colored mica. Alright guys, so that is it with Micas More unboxing. It's a short little video, but it is, I wanted to record it because some people don't know about Micas More, and I think they should. So hopefully you guys check stuff out over at Micas More, because she has some lovely, lovely, lovely micas. Alright guys, I will see you guys in another video. If you liked what you saw, give us a thumbs up and click that notification bell and subscribe to our channel. If you would like to buy any of our soaps, you can check us out at simplyasshop.etsy.com and yeah, order from there. Alright, see you guys later in another video. Bye.